Hey everyone, it's Ashley with Country View Monograms. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm Ashley, and I run two successful Etsy embroidery-based shops, and I talk all about embroidery and applique and Etsy and business in general here on my channel. We'd love to have you subscribe if you have not already. So today I'm doing things a little bit different. You can see I'm working to put together some new embroidery files. I use a combination of Sew What Pro to edit my designs, and then I'm also using Embrilliance, but I use just the basic free version to use BX fonts. So you'll see I set up the names over in Embrilliance. I merge them in over here on Sew What Pro like I'm doing right now, and use that to change all the colors, change things around, and that works well for me. I started with Sew What Pro, so that's always been my preference, just because that's what I'm used to. So I like to set up my designs on Sew What Pro, especially with new ones like this, and I change the background color to what I'm going to be using as a shirt. And there we go. You can see I've got this on a light blue. I'm kind of editing the colors, editing the name, so I have a good idea of what it's going to look like, the finished product. I have multiple designs I'm going to be setting up here. Some of them I ended up stitching out and some I did not. I'm also searching for a specific design on Etsy that I've seen before, and there it was. I found it, and I'm going to go ahead and look around and see if there's anything else I want to purchase, and then go ahead and download that design as well. I didn't end up using it that day when I was recording this, but I do have it and I'm going to be using it in the future. So you'll see me going through, and I'm just trying out all sorts of different fonts to see what I like with the name and find different designs. These sketch designs are an entire set of designs from Embroidery Boutique. They were brand new when I first recorded this video. It's been a little bit since I've recorded this and made these shirts, but I wanted to get those out for you guys so you could see that my entire design process. So like I said, I like to go through and play and find different fonts. I probably have 1,000 different fonts, and I'm sure I don't even have all of them listed in Embrilliance yet, but like I said, I like to play with the colors, make sure it's going to come out how I like. These sketch designs are so fast to stitch, as you'll see here just shortly. So fast and so cute. So here I am stitching out the tack down and placement stitch for this horse design. And then I'm going to go ahead and trim this. I like these little bitty curved Westcott scissors. I have those linked down below. They can be found on Amazon. I used to find them at Walmart, but I haven't been able to in the past couple years, so I've switched to ordering them on Amazon. They work well. They've got a teeny tiny pointy little tip on them that gets into small spaces really well. I like these better than the Fiskars version of the same thing because these have a lot smaller of blade and tip. So like I said, it's easier for me to get into small spaces and cut little bitty threads with them. So next I'm going to show you how I hoop a shirt. I fold it, turn it inside out, smooth it out. I use adhesive spray, a piece of poly mesh, and then a piece of tearaway, and I'll have that all linked down below of which specifics I use. I straighten the shirt out. I fold it in half to get a nice little crease. I put my back piece of the Mighty Hoop in the shirt. I use the the lines on the hoop, and then the center line that I've creased into the shirt to make sure it's center. And before I attach the top magnetic hoop. So that way I know it's going to be nice and centered. So this horse one that I've been working on, it is a zigzag stitch, and the horse design is from Joy Kate Designs. I'll try to link that down below for you as well. That's for the zigzag one. This sketch one and the sketch barn is from Embroidery Boutique. Like I said, these are all very quick stitching ones. These are actually done for a friend, but I do plan on adding these. I'm going to start a Facebook group, start being more active on Facebook with my business, add those there, and then as long as I can keep track of getting these shirt colors in stock, I might start to add more colored shirts and colored options to my Etsy shop as well. If you guys offer custom, and your customers to choose the colored shirts, let me know how you do that below. Do you keep a stock on hand, or do you order as they come in? I'd love to hear how you handle that. Right now I keep a very big stock of white shirts and then very limited of everything else. I just find it hard to keep enough on hand of everything. So next up I have this cow design. On the finished product, I actually wish I would have switched some of the colors around to make it just a little bit more visible on this navy blue shirt. I wish I would have switched the white and the black, just to, outline it and make it a little bit more defined. But they all did turn out super cute, nice, fast stitch outs, stuff that would be nice and easy to add to my shop. So thank you guys so much for stopping by today and working with me while I set up and stitch out these new designs. I appreciate all the love and support you guys have been giving me, and I hope that if you're new here, you'd consider subscribing. That helps us out greatly. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.